Hey everyone, I just wanted to share with you one of our new accessory that we got for the Y Performance. And this is for the purpose of protecting the interior carpet. We do a lot of outdoor activities that brings in sand, dust, water, snow, and so forth. So we definitely need something on top of the Tesla floor mats, the carpet floor mats, which is, we're not a big fan of carpet floor mats. So this is not your typical version of your 3D floor mats. So we didn't like how 3D floor mats look after a while. It actually changed to a lighter black because it does take in some of the dirt. It start absorbing into that floor mats over time. And also if you spill any sunscreen, it changes the color of that floor mat. So we're not a fan of the 3D floor mats anymore. And for our own taste, the plastic type of floor mats just look cheap in the Tesla. So this is more premium. So we're gonna open this up and show you guys what this auto Tellors actually looks like. And I think the contrast of this coloring does go well with the Tesla Model Y, in particular the red caliper. We'll post a link where you can find these. It's fairly affordable. It's still on the pricier side, but it does provide more protection. This is a 9-piece version. It does provide a 2-piece in the trunk for those 5-seater. As you can see, it's more of a carbon fiber finish, space gray, black, and then you have this red stripping that goes well with the red calipers. And it just gives that extra contrast to the vehicle versus the all black floor mats. And we'll install this and show you how it looks like afterwards. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the floor mat install. So first glance, it looks very nice. This has a carbon fiber look, especially once the footwell light hits it. It just gives that contrast also with the red around the edges. And this is boged up, so if you have water spill here, it will hold within this floor mats. So again, this gives more of a fabric look versus a plastic look, although it is made out of vinyl. It does have the backing just like the 3D, just to hold it in place, so you don't have to worry about it slipping forward or backwards while you're driving. So again, this red matches the red caliper of the Performance, and it does come in other colors. It does come in black as well if you're not interested in the contrast. And here is from the rear. So with the 3D actually in the center seat, it doesn't have that protection. It actually, if you have water spill, it will roll right into where the center console is. So that's the driver's seat. The rear seat is 1 piece. Let me show you the trunk. So this looks really nice, especially since it's 2-piece. 3D Max is only 1 piece. For the 5-seater, the 2-piece works well because you can actually have access to the second compartment here in the trunk, versus other floor mats. You have 1 big piece, so then you literally have to roll this up to open that second storage location. And this package, the 9-piece, also comes with floor mats inside the storage compartment, the first storage compartment here, as well as the side compartment. So I think for the value, it's a very good deal. And then it has a cutting to have access to lift this compartment up. Again, Tesla does not give you trunk mats. It has this cardboard fabric on top, and it get rough up fairly quickly if you don't have any floor mat in the trunk. So if you're not a fan of getting aftermarket floor mats, at least get a trunk mat and a front mat, and I'll show you a front mat of this version in a second. So let's take a look at the front. So the front doesn't come with any mats either. It used to for the Model 3. Now it just have this cutout, and then your tow hook is located here as well. At least they have a location for the tow hook. In previous Model 3, it's just laying inside the compartment here. So this does come with the front as well, and I highly recommend getting one for your front, at least a mat for the front and the trunk. And again, I'll post a link where you can find the promo link to purchase this online. And you can purchase either the front, trunk only, or the mats inside the cabin, or just get the whole package 9-piece. The 9-piece is a better value. So let me show you the passenger side. So you can see the contrast here. Again, looks really nice with the footwell. I did upgrade the footwell lighting to a brighter LED from Abstract Ocean. Check out the link in the description for some discounts there if you use it through that link. Otherwise, we're pretty satisfied with the cutout here. And a lot of people question, okay, why don't you just use the Tesla floor mat, and then once that get torn up, buy new floor mats? Well, Tesla floor mat is carpet, and if you are in and out your vehicle and you have wet feet, that moist stay in the vehicle for about a day before it dries out, depending on where you live, maybe a couple of days. And it gives you that really bad odor after a while. So if you want a fresh cabin, get some plastic floor mats. And in this case, it is vinyl. It is made out of polymer, but it doesn't look like it, and it doesn't feel like it either. Apparently, this brand, they provide some sort of ceramic coating on this material where it repels water, dust, and so forth, similar to what 3D does. But 3D is, for some reason, it traps those dust over time, and the black doesn't stay a vivid black anymore. It turns into like a space gray-ish, and then you spill any sunblock on it, which happened often, or any other chemical, the stains stay there permanently. You can't get it off. We try all types of cleaning materials, all types of power spray, pressure spray, it just won't come off. So we'll see how long this lasts, but this actually have a lot better review than the 3D Max version. So we wanted to show you this firsthand. Again, the link is in the description where you can order these. And thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.